like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. We have daily new arrivals coming in. The fastest way to see what we have coming in is to check our social media and subscribe or follow us. All makes and models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Benz E53 freshwater flood damage vehicle. Engine compartment looks clean. We checked the oils. There's no water in the engine, no rust or corrosion. The headlights look pretty clean. No moisture in there. Overall looks like a low-level flood vehicle. Do a quick walk around. Body's very clean. Nice panoramic roof. We purchased the vehicle with a key, and the auction lost the key, so now we can't check to see if it runs or not. Not yet. We just ordered the key from the dealer, but once the key comes in, we'll be able to check everything. Right now we're just doing a video inspection to see the water level. So far there's no odor, no smell. The carpets are dry. Seat tracks look clean. There's no water in the pockets. These pedals aren't corroded in any way. So far, all good signs. There's no water in the glove box. Looks pretty dry in here. Take a look in the back. Yeah, these are all good signs. Nice seats. Nice panoramic roof. Hopefully when we get the key in, we can get it running. We'll clean all the contacts. Check everything before we start it. Looks like it's going to turn out to be a nice builder. Really like the white color, and it's an E53 AMG. Got the carbon fiber mirror covers. Nice bumpers, nice side skirts. The rims are nice. AMG package. It's gonna turn out to be a nice car. We'll update you shortly. Thanks for watching.